About 6 months ago, I made my very first batch of black cherry wine. Well, it's now time to give it a taste. Okay, roughly 6 months ago, we began the process of making this black cherry wine, uh, starting with the basic ingredients and making sure that we had all the necessary gear to get everything started. Now it's been roughly 6 months later. It's now time to do the initial tasting. Uh, from the onset, I can say that this wine ended up at 16.95 ABV, so it's got a little kick to it. I did do a glance at the level of clearness in the bottle, or just making sure that there was no sediment floating around the bottom of the bottle. And no, there was no sediment. So I did manage to give it enough time to do bulk aging in the carboy jug, Timmy John, take your pick, long enough so that the wine appears to be clear. Without further ado, I think we'll just get right into it. Now, I do wish you all could be here, but since you can't, I'll let you know if this wine was worth it or not. All right, let's just go ahead and get this glass underway. All right, from the onset, the wine is clear, very clear, crystal clear. Well, I mean, it's dark, so you can't see through it, but what you can see, it's very clear. I smell more of the cherries than I do the alcohol. You got to give it a good sniff to catch that little whiff of alcohol, so that's a good thing. Seems to have a fairly decent viscosity level. It's not too thin. Let's see what we got here. Did a good job of back sweetening this one. On this one, I used a non-fermentable sugar, xylitol, which I don't use anymore because it's just too expensive. I now use sugar. But no, the sweetness level is fine. It's more of a semi-sweet wine. You can tell that towards the end there's just that slight level of harshness due to the remaining malic acid. It hasn't been converted yet. But beyond that, were it not for that, this would almost be compared to a good commercial wine. Yeah, it's got good body. It's got good flavor. Yeah, I would say this is almost on par with something you would find in the store. Quite honestly, it's not bad. I think I'd like to try a cherry wine next time instead of a black cherry, even though the black cherry is not bad. Um, what else? What else? Yep. Give it 6 more months and this wine is good to go. In fact, I'll go so far as to say that give it 6 more months, and I can dress this up by putting on the cap, uh, replacing the artificial corks that I use with a natural cork. Like I say, dress it up, and yeah, this is a wine that I can actually give away as a gift. And basically, it's a representation of my skill as a novice winemaker by simply saying that, yeah, this is good enough to give away. Now let me rephrase that. I got 4 bottles remaining. I definitely intend to keep one for the 1 year tasting. The remaining 3, I don't know, at 16.95% ABV. We're coming into winter. We're definitely in the fall, but I think those might be gone by the end of winter. No, I'm going to give one away as a gift, and I'm going to keep one for the 1-year tasting. And the remaining 3, I don't know if they're going to make it at the end of the year. In terms of winners and losers, yeah, this is definitely a winner. This is one of the ones that I am planning on making again. I'll let you know if a wine doesn't quite make the cut. And those are the wines that you'll never see again except in reruns. But beyond that, this wine, I like it. I like it a lot. We'll be making this one again. I don't plan on recorking this. There's no point to it since it's already open. I might let it breathe for a little while, but for the most part, this will probably be gone with dinner. So there we go. Black cherry wine, 6-month tasting. Right now, I highly recommend it.